Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining me. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you for your continued support. Yes, in today's video, I'm gonna do the cooking. My family, they all went to church, so the cooking is down to me today. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, before we begin today's episode, let me show you around my kitchen. You might be wondering, where's my refrigerator? Okay, here you go. This is my refrigerator. And the freezer down below. And those are my cupboards, my microwave, and my oven. Over here, you have the washing machine, my chopping boards, my dishwasher, and my telly to watch anything I want to watch while I am cooking. At the moment, we're having the FA Cup final, I think, with Tottenham Hotspurs against Manchester United. That's a female match. And over here is my cooker, my stove, and my sink for washing up. Okay, guys, that's my kitchen. So let's start the cooking. I am going to wash the peas and then I put it on the fire to boil. Now I am going to light the fire. Okay, all set. Now I am going to get the meat clean, seasoned, and then start frying. Okay, here's the chicken. I'm going to get it cleaned up and seasoned, and then I start frying it. Yes, I am taking out the excess fat and other stuff that's not supposed to be cooked. I am going to wash my chicken, pour a little vinegar, chicken properly washed. Okay guys, chicken properly washed and clean. Now I'm gonna season. In my household we don't use salt, so when I'm seasoning my meat I use Maggi cube. Maggi cube, you know, it is already salty, so for this portion of meat I use 4 cubes. I already pre-opened my Maggi cubes, so I'm gonna do it over the meat like this. That's 1, 2, yes. I sprinkle it over the meat, the chicken, and when I am done, I am going to marinate it. Okay? Then I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. This is a Jamaican brand. You know, I am Yardie, I am from Yard, so I'm gonna have Jamaican stuff. So this is an all-purpose. It's Portland Mill. That's the brand. So I'm gonna sprinkle some on my chicken. Then I'm gonna add in some chicken seasoning. This chicken seasoning is also Portland Mill's brand. So I'm gonna sprinkle. Then I'm gonna add some ground pimento. Okay, so we don't add too much, you know, of these powder seasoning, because later on we are gonna have the natural seasoning like the onion and scallion. Here we call the scallion spring onion, and sweet pepper and so on. Now I'm going to be frying the chicken, so let's get the fire started. Now my oil is hot. I'm going to start putting in the chicken. While the peas is being boiled and the chicken is being fried, I'm gonna measure my rice and wash it so that when the pot, or let's say when the peas is cooked, I can put in my rice to simmer. The rice that I am cooking is Hilda Basmati. To me, it's the best rice they have here. There might be better, but this is the one that I take. Guys, while I'm waiting for the chicken to finish fry, I'm going to cut up my natural seasoning to season the pot, you know, and that's going to be my final season, and then I'm going to leave it to cook to perfection. Okay, there you go guys, I finished cutting up my natural seasoning and I am going to put it in the pot shortly. Okay guys, now I'm going to put in the natural seasoning into my chicken and cover it and leave it to simmer. Okay, all set. It's gonna simmer, and then when it's done, you'll see how nice it looks, and everybody is gonna enjoy it because they like when I cook my chicken, because that's the way I do stew chicken, you know, because chicken is the only meat I eat. I am going to put the coconut cream instead of coconut milk or the real coconut. I'm using coconut cream to cook the rice and peas. So I'm gonna add the coconut cream now. Then I give it a stir. Here guys, I am done cooking the chicken, so have a look. Yep, I'm gonna turn the fire off, and I'm waiting for my rice to simmer just a couple minutes more, and then it's done. Here guys, I am dishing the food now. My wife is waiting to have her dinner. Add a bit of gravy. The vegetable that you're gonna have is already on the table waiting. So now just a bit of gravy. Okay, now I'm going to serve. Okay, dinner is now served, and my darling wife is eating. So let's hear from her. How is the food?
Rice and peas, very well presented. The salad is very nice. Chicken is very nice. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, darling. Guys, I hope that one day in the future you might be able to come to my kitchen to taste my cooking. We have come to the end of another video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and remember to hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. See you in the next video.